Hiccup's wing glider time.
When these wings are in place, you'll fly and work better than any direction.
Look at everybody. Woo! I got wet.
And on your left, you'll see some bronco eggs, which are well known to explode when they hatch. But don't worry, they only hatch in exactly these conditions at exactly this time of year. Which means that stopping here would be a really bad idea.